Have the passion, take the action, and magic will happen. This is the motto 17-year-old Anne-Marie Nanduva keeps close to her heart as she continues to make significant strides at such an early stage in her life. Nanduva's passion to protect our environment, oceans, and ecosystem through awareness, walking the talk, fundraise to support local initiatives like mangrove planting and the conservation of indigenous trees. Sanyani Mboila with tonight's successful story.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.
Anne-Marie Nanduva's journey to become an environment champion began when she was 14 years old.
Sisters and I watched a YouTube video of a turtle that was dying from swallowing a balloon fragment, and this really affected me. So we floated the ideas to our parents, and they have taught us to pray about the campaign idea.
In an effort to address the growing needs in the sustainability of our environment, Nanduva, an advocate, influencer, eco-hero champion, and founder of Young Eco Champs Fiji, says it's all about working for a better Fiji.
The Young Eco Champions League are trying to voice out our issues because, you know, when the people, the adults, when they die, we will be the ones that will face the consequences that we did not create.
Also part of Nanduva's campaign is mangrove planting.
1st December 2018, to date, my small group and I have planted more than 18,000 mangroves along the silver foreshore, and now we have seen the coastal rehabilitation where the small the oysters are sticking on the mangrove seedlings.
Nanduva was selected by the Fiji Sun as one of the top 10 Fijians for 2018. She was awarded the Nobel Eco Hero by the Action for Nature 2019 International Young Eco Hero Award, an international non-governmental organization based in the United States of America. She also became the first Fijian to shadow the British High Commissioner to Fiji 2 weeks ago. With all this, Nanduva faces a lot of challenges.
When it comes to climate change talks, I've been ignored, ridiculed, and laughed at by adults at my campaign, that I'm not a professional. But for me, that's when I take the positive and I just ignore the negative.
She says her family has been her greatest strength.
So our family, we have stopped using our fridge, and we've reduced our electricity payments and all this. And now we are just eating those tins of dal, and we're just living a minimalistic lifestyle.
Nanduva's advice to youth is to believe in yourself and make a difference.
Is to get out of your comfort zone, and we must all work together. And I also believe that God can help you in what you're always doing, and He will never leave you, nor will He ever forsake you.
The Year 11 student of St. Joseph Secondary School says she is passionate about healing our deteriorating planet through advocacy, campaigns, action, and sustainable practices. Sanyani Mboila, FBC News.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.